Hello everyone, welcome back to Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Top War application on your Android phone. So let's get started. First, make sure that your Android device is connected to a stable internet. Open up Play Store, go to the search box and type in Top War and search. Soon after you find this Top War application from Top War Studio, tap on the install button to begin the download process. Wait until the application is downloaded and installed for your Android device. Top War is a mobile strategy game developed by Top War Studio. It combines elements of city building, strategy, and war simulation. Players can develop their own cities, research technology, and gather resources. It features a merger system where players can merge and upgrade buildings, units, and technologies to strengthen their power. Like many other mobile games, Top War may offer in-app purchases, allowing players to buy in-game currency, resources, or items to enhance their gameplay experience. Once the application is downloaded and installed, tap on the play button to launch open the app on your Android. So that was how you can easily download Top War application for your Android device. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.